Hello everyone, I wanted to show you my 75 that's next to my discus tank. This has one discus in it. He's in discus prison. I know some people say that's mean, but it's not. He does just fine in there. We got a true parrot cichlid, red hump Geophagus, two spotted leporinus. I'm sure there's somebody in there. Now the bottom looks gross, they just ate, but I cleaned it just tonight. We got an L186, I believe, back there. The back end of a royal pleco. Yeah. And my Starry Night Cichlid, he's super cool. I had one before and I got rid of it, and I wish I wouldn't have. He lives on this half of the tank. Yeah, so it's not perfect, but it's pretty cool.